To buy meme coins on crypto.com. Start by opening the app and navigating to the Accounts section, located at the bottom of the screen. From there, set up either a V8 wallet or a cash wallet, and deposit funds to enable purchases with money in your wallet. Click on the Trade option, followed by the Buy option from the resulting pop-up. Next, use the search bar to find the meme coin you wish to purchase, such as Dogecoin or any other desired coin. Select the coin from the search results. Enter the amount you want to buy, and choose your payment method, either a cash account balance or another accepted method. Finally, confirm the purchase by clicking the Buy button at the bottom of the screen, and the meme coin will be added to your crypto.com account.